And ladies and gentlemen, the campaign for Sushant has led to a churning in this country. People of India have come together to reject the nepotistic, elitist and arrogant Bollywood cabal that uses its shallow, holier-than-thou facade to bury dirty drug secrets. The same cabal propped up Jaya Bachchan today to do its bidding in Parliament. Watch how her outburst went against national sentiment. Watch the elitist tone of her comments. This only further exposed their conspiracy of silence in the Disha and Sushant murder cases, which we are both investigating.
We are being used to be flogged.
Propped up by Bollywood on the second day of the monsoon session, actor turned parliamentarian Jaya Bachchan gave a clean chit to the film industry that has hit the headlines for its dirty drug links.
People who have made their name in this film industry have called it a gutter. You cannot tarnish the image of the entire industry.
Right.
A direct attack on Kangana, who minced no words while exposing the filth.
बॉलीवुड का जो गटर है, जो गंदी नाली है, क्यों इसको पूरे देश ने सर पे चढ़ा के रखा हुआ है? क्यों इसमें क्लीनिंग नहीं हो रही है? जब सारे देश में स्वच्छ भारत हो रहा है, तो इधर क्यों नहीं हो रहा है?
A counter to BJP's Ravi Kishan, who wants a complete drug clean-up in Bollywood.
One of our members in the Lok Sabha spoke, who is from the industry. It's a shame. जिस थाली में खाते हैं, उसमें छेद करते हैं.
थाली में खाया मैं, ना छेद किया. मैंने स्वयं की थाली बनाई. मैंने उसी में भोजन पाया. जया जी, इस चीज को रोकना होगा. ये चीज पूरे देश को मालूम है.
It's evident that the multi-agency investigation that's taking place in Mumbai is making many nervous. Here's why. Because top PR bosses like Bunty Sachdev have already faced questions by the CBI. Because there are sensational claims about an alleged June 8th party which was attended by actors, builders and politicians, a party that Disha was forced to be a part of.
She was called there against her wish, but eventually she showed up at the party. And at the party, when she was there for a while, whatever happened, wrong happened to her at the party, she left from there, and she called up Sushant.
Because their silence on Disha's mysterious death and the suspicious circumstances, like the installation of a grill post her death, is not lost on anyone.
ग्रिल नहीं लगा सकते. अभी हम अपनी सेफ्टी के लिए लगा सकते हैं. अगर बिल्डर लगाएंगे तो बिल्डर का ओसी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. अच्छा. हाँ, अभी सब बिल्डिंग में वैसे ही होता है. कोई भी बिल्डिंग में, पहले की बिल्डिंग में बिल्डर लगा के, अब कोई बिल्डिंग में बिल्डर ये ग्रिल लगा. ओपन था विंडो. हाँ, अब भी ग्रिल लगा है ना, वो सब होने के बाद वाइट वाला.
And finally, because Rhea is taking names and the NCB has proof against at least 25 biggies. 93 days back, when Sushant died under mysterious circumstances, many were quick to push the suicide theory. Tonight, as the murder angle becomes the focal point of the investigation in both Sushant and Disha's death, Bollywood has clearly betrayed the national sentiment.
ड्रग्स की थाली भरी हुई है. अगर छेद नहीं करेंगे तो क्या करेंगे? और परोसेंगे हम लोगों को.
Let's debate.